we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
You do not need a new HDMI cable for Ultra HD 4K, probably. We're well into the transition to Ultra HD 4K. Most mid and high-end TVs are now Ultra HD resolution, with many also supporting HDR. But guess what? You probably don't need 4K HDMI cables, because your current ones can likely do 4K just fine.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.